हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू मैथ दीक्षा। तो आज हम सीबीएसई 2023 का एक केस बेस क्वेश्चन करेंगे। लेट अस स्टार्ट। सो क्वेश्चन इज, रीसेंट स्टडीज सजेस्ट दैट रफली 12% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन इज लेफ्ट हैंडेड. Depending upon the parents, the chances of having a left-handed child are as follows. Event उसने ABCD define किया है. A is when both father and mother are left-handed, then chance of left-handed child is 24%. When father is right-handed and mother is left-handed, then chance of left-handed child is 22%. When father is left-handed and mother is right-handed, then chance of left-handed child is 17%. And when both father and mother are right-handed, then chance of left-handed child is 9%. It is given that PA is equal to PB is equal to PD is equal to 1/4 and L denotes the event that the child is left-handed. जहाँ भी left-handed है मैंने उसको highlight किया है. Now in first part you are to find the probability L upon C, P L upon C, L that is left-handed child and C when father is left-handed. तो ये तो आपको दे ही रखा है उसने. This is equal to 17% or you can say 0.17. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में इसके सेकेंड पार्ट में find P L bar upon A. L bar means P L bar upon A. L bar means not left-handed. So it must be 1 minus P L upon A. L that is left-handed and A means when father and mother both are left-handed. तो इसकी probability 24/100 है. तो I can write this as 100% से 24% माइनस कर दो तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 76% और यू कैन से 0.76. थर्ड पार्ट इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. इट सेज PA अपॉन L. क्लियरली ये बेस थ्योरम है. यू आर टू फाइंड रिवर्स प्रोबेबिलिटी, दैट इज व्हेन left-handed child is given, then find the probability that both father and mother are left-handed. So this is equal to P. formula use करेंगे. This is equal to PA into PA upon L whole upon PA into PA upon L plus PA into PB into PB upon L plus PC into PC upon L and plus PD into PD upon L because there are 4 events. Put the values. This is equal to 1/4 into 24% whole upon this is equal to 1/4 into 24%. PB is also 1/4 and B upon L is equal to 22% plus 1/4. PL upon C is 17% and this is PD 1/4 and PD upon L is 9%. 1/4 थ्रू आउट कॉमन है, कैंसिल हो जाएगा. हर टर्म में है, कैंसिल आउट. एंड आंसर इज 24 upon 24 plus 22 plus 17 plus 9. This is equal to 24 upon 72, that is 1/3. और पार्ट देखते हैं इसका. Find the probability that the randomly selected child is left-handed given that exactly one of the parents is left-handed. That is, you are to find the probability L upon B plus P L upon C. वी में मदर लेफ्ट हैंडेड है और सी में फादर लेफ्ट हैंडेड है, वन ऑफ देम. दिस इज इक्वल टू 22% प्लस 17%, that is 39%, और this is equal to 0.39. That's it. Thank you. All the best.